Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Dogecoin on Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app, verify your identity, link a bank, and fund your account before trading. Next, enable crypto trading in settings if needed and review Robinhood's fees and limits so you know what to expect. I'll walk you through placing market and limit orders, setting a buy amount, and confirming your Dogecoin purchase step by step. When you're ready to buy, search Dogecoin and open its trade page. Tap Buy, choose Market for instant execution or limit to pick a price, then enter a dollar amount or Doge quantity. Double-check estimated fees and order details because trades are final. Confirm the trade and watch your portfolio update. If you want recurring buys, set up automatic purchases to dollar cost, average your Dogecoin over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more guides. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes trading breaks nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your account by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. Treat Dogecoin as a high-volatility asset and only invest what you can afford to lose, setting stop limits or alerts as needed. Try a small test buy first, and consider limit orders to control price entry. Keep records for taxes, monitor news that affects crypto, and step back if market moves become emotional or stressful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.